saw this price, $29.99. So guys, I'm all dressed up. Say hello. This is Sephora. Our food is here. This is how you make crepe fast. Hello guys, and welcome back again to another vlog. How are you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in. Yeah, take a look at my new hair. My hair is popping. My hair is beautiful. Yeah, so guys, we are going out. Yeah, the kids are already dressed. They are waiting for me, so I decided to start this vlog at home. So I want to show you guys something. It says, you guys know that I think it says it's going to finish in this month. I don't know the dates. I got this boot, guys. This boot is super cute. I got it from Zara. Guys, I have a boot that is almost like this, but I don't know what happened to that boot. All of a sudden the thing started peeling. Yeah, this is the one I have before. Man, I've been with this boot for God knows how long, like for a long time. All of a sudden, look, the thing just started peeling. I don't know if I cleaned it with something. I was mama that and do small papa. I don't know if I cleaned it with something that I was not supposed to use. I don't know. I just picked it up one day. I wanted to wear it and just saw that the thing is peeling. It's not even one, both of them. Take a look at that. And this one is also from Zara. Take a look at the down of this shoe, how solid it is, and the hop is peeling already. Even to throw it away now, I find it hard because I love it. This is one of my favorite boots. This is one of my very comfy. I love comfy boots. I don't like boots that when you wear, before how many minutes your leg will start paining you. I like comfy boots. That's why I always go for this chunky. So guys, this is the new one that I got. It's also chunky. When I saw it, I thought it's almost like this one, but when I got home, I found out that this one was a little bit taller. I think this background is better. What do you guys think? So when I saw this boot in Zara, I saw this price of $29.99. I was super excited, but when I got to pay for the shoe, the lady told me it's $19.99, and I did not know that even the $19.99 was up here, but I did not see it. I was just looking at this one. I was super excited. Like, this says, man, I got stuff that I'm super excited about. Not only for me, even for the kids. Yeah, we got. I like to profit the sales, because after sales now, the things will go back to their normal, dear price. Like, they'll become expensive again, so it's better you just profit it. So take a look at that shoe, guys. Look at the initial price, $49.95. So guys, it's good to shop sales. So I'm going to dress up now because the kids are already waiting for me. So guys, I'm all dressed up. Imagine I use a mascara to stain myself. There was just a little mascara there. I did not know it was mascara. I thought maybe it's just dirt. I decided to wipe it off. Before I know, the thing just rough on my clothes. But I'm not going to change because we are almost late. It's not an appointment though, but I wanted us to like leave this house before 3, and it's already 3. It's 3 already, so we have to like move. Let me show you guys my outfit of the day. Say hello. So guys, we are going to the mall. Yeah, Nathan is sleeping at the back. There's somebody at my back. I'm trying so that it's not going to show. Nathan is sleeping.
Bittersweet and I'm walking slow. sensitive, feel the afterglow. Looking for things that I can't control. Fear from my past, cause it always shows. Do I wanna try?
So guys, we are out of the boat. Man, makeup is popping. Makeup is popping. Kanini. Teta is wearing his new jacket and his hat. This is a
my new shoe.
yeah, Amoni is wearing a new shoe. And also your new trouser though. You know, it's the first time wearing this trouser. Me? No, it's Nathan. Even Amoni, even Nathan. People are wearing new things today. And me too, I'm wearing a new shoe. Hey. So guys, this is Sephora. This is Maison du Monde. In the mall.
What is this? What is this now?
What is this now? One shampoo shopping. So guys, McDonald's is just here. I'm money. So I can't wait. I'm only want to order food herself. You want to do it by yourself too? No, this is Happy Meal. You are going to take Happy Meal. Happy Meal. Happy Meal is it? Yes. Okay. Yes.
What is this?
There's only mayonnaise. Only ketchup. Potato, no? What do you want?
Qu'est-ce que c'est?
Déjà, you want ice cream?
Ok, la viande. Ça, c'est sûr, c'est toi.
The food is here. Who wants this one? This one is for Nathan. Potato is for who? It's for you? Mm. Hey, everybody should say hello. Leave him alone, let him play. Nathan, be careful. Be careful. Yes. Nathan, go up now. You scared?
They just give it, they don't put it in that
Oh my gosh. The kids are having ice cream break. Because they were playing, that's why I brought them to this place. There's a playground. I don't know if it's not a playground. There is somewhere that they can actually play there. So they finish eating, so they just play. I think I'll go to Carrefour because we are in the mall, so there's Carrefour. I want to pick up a few things. This is Nathan actually facing his fear. Normally, Nathan will never go up there. We come here all the time. He always play on the down there. But today, my boy went up. He went up. Bravo, Nathan. Allez, let's go. Let's go. No?
This side was blue.
Oh, bravo, Nathan. You are no longer scared? Oh, good job. Hello guys, welcome back again to the vlog. How are you guys doing? So guys, we just wake up quite long. Today is, what is today? I think today is Wednesday, no?
Vendredi.
Guys, the kids are on holiday, so we have been at home. I don't even know what. I think today is Wednesday. Yes, today is Wednesday.
Oh,
today is Wednesday, the 8th of February. So guys, we want to make crepe.
Yes.
we want to make crepes, so that's what we are prepping, and the kids, they are already ready.
Mommy, I can show them what that means.
Yeah, you can show them. Say hello, guys. You have to say hello first.
Hello.
Nathan, little April. Money, come and say hello.
Hello.
Our is also wearing an apron. Our little chefs.
And those that have this in my hand.
Our little chefs, they are ready to cook. So, guys, here is all we need for our crepe. We have 75 cl of milk, 75 gram of butter. We are going to be melting this. So we also have
Flour.
This is 375 gram of flour. We have how many eggs?
6 eggs.
And we also have a big pinch of salt. So guys, let's get started. And here we have our chefs.
Mama, what is sense?
It's chef.
Chef is
Somebody that
cook.
Okay, it's called chef. Nata, you know what we do? You have to turn this one.
Oh my.
Okay? Inside.
I can point now.
Not yet. Wait. Come on.
It's Baba ne Baba.
This mixture have been sitting in the fridge for.
Not monsieur.
Shut up. I said mixture, not monsieur. For close to I did not really time it. Maybe like an hour or so. I don't know.
Mama Katani.
Leave there.
Hello guys, talk to China.
This is what it's looking like.
Okay.
How you make crepe fast. You use 2 pans. That way is super fast. Look at these ones. They are waiting for their food already.
Our pancake. Our first pancake is ready.
It's breakfast time. What do you people want to drink? Milk?
Yes.
Harmony is having her own with syrup. And Nathan is having Nutella. Yum yum. So we have all our crepe here. I got this crepe container from Ashon. They said crepe party is really cool. Yes?
My favorite breakfast is pancake.
Pancake. Sweet mat. Nathan, what is your favorite breakfast?
Also pancake.
Sweet mat people. See their face. It's good. You can wrap it. You want to wrap it?
Mommy. Mommy.
I'm going to be having the same thing like the kids. That's what happens when you're on holiday. Like your kids, it's like they decide your meal. Is anything that they eat that you eat. That's why after the holiday you are going to have some pans because you're always eating what the kids eat. So this is what I'm going to be using for my coffee. This is almond milk.
Mommy, I can try jamun.
This rubber is really cool to store your crepes though. It's really cool. Take a look at that. I think I showed you guys already. It's really cool. They wrote crepe party. It's still hot though, so I let it cool and just put it in the fridge. Anytime the kids want, I warm it up. Man, so I'm using syrup for mine. Yum yum. I did not put sugar in this crepe because everything we are going to use to eat is already have sugar, so there is no need. So this is the last one I made because I was busy like organizing. The thing almost burned, so I'm just going to eat it because the kids will not like to eat this.
Bon appétit, maman.
Merci, papa. It's so hot. Done having breakfast, so I want to end this vlog here. So guys, these are some of the things we just do to entertain ourselves. Because you guys know when it's school mornings, it's quick and easy breakfast like cereals and all that. We hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Please, if you do, don't forget to
like, comment, share, and subscribe. We see you in our next video. Bye.